Ana.
That's why we have to go there.
Entrance.
I
The entrance.
I see you there.
Contact sila dyan.
Yeah, I always tell my parents that.
Lugar parang global, no?
Nana, why did you let me use my hand?
Siyempre, holiday ng ano din.
May entrance ba? May pre-entrance ba ngayon dyan?
Pre man yan.
Tell my parents that I want a long,
Papasok.
No, thank you.
Except to lahat eh. Saglit lang naman tayo dyan. Picture saglit. Go. Uwi ka na, Maria. Where you're going home? You want to go home na? Ayaw. Ayaw din. Na-enjoy niya rin tayo kasama.
Because Maria's parents doesn't give her a long journey. Your parents are just busy, Maria.
Sarap.
Actually, it's a great.
Gusto ko doon.
May pinapaliko na nga dito.
Kuya, I have senior si.
Kids.
Do also my backside, my husband. Pag pinadyan tayo dyan, mahirapan tayo dyan mag ano. Parking. Oh, madyan ka anak pa.
Ano po?
Ah. Asan ba ang entrance, Ed? O yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Ito na?
It's it.
Asan ba entrance? Patunula na. Patayan na muna yan.
Maghapon ng parking. Bakit ito ng entrance? Ayan o.
Napuntahan. Kuya, can I park there? I have senior. Where is nearest parking? Street is nearest daw. Ah, okay.
What are we doing?
Ah, here, oh.
Ang daming parking dito sa malapit oh. Ay, nearest daw oh. Ito, parking
Kuya.
dito.
We need nearest because I have senior too. This one? Okay. May, where? Also here, ha?
Same.
Sim pa dyan.
Ano daw?
Anywhere.
Bakit dito ka papasok?
Mas nearest nga naman to. Oh, mas nearest to. Ba't malapit tayo? Kaya nga eh, bakit nila tayo papapasukin dun sa malayo? No?
How come? Dad, nothing wrong with your emergency.
Huwag na magdala ng mga bag. Picture lang.
Tubig din. Tubig lang. Biscuit, may biscuit tayo.